Good morning, everyone.
Hello.
So we've had a couple of days here now in Koh Lanta. We haven't done too much. We have some work to do. We've been catching up on a few things. Yeah, we look good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
So we just come out of the gym. What was it called again? Thai.
Yeah, Mai Tai.
William Mai Tai, yeah.
I had it in my head then.
And it's in the north of Koh Lanta. And yeah, it's pretty good.
It's actually awesome.
Pretty damn good, yeah.
Really good equipment.
Yeah, like really good, loads of like resistance machines, like areas to deadlift, like barbells, kettlebells, dumbbells up to 50 kilos.
Yeah, up to 50.
Yeah, up to 50 kilo.
Loads of plate loaded machines.
Yeah, and there is some cardio equipment, but not a lot. Not that it takes over the whole gym, which is great. Yeah, they've got a little studio, they do classes, they do a bit of everything.
Aircon is wicked, so...
Oh yeah, the aircon. Aircon's good. Yeah, we did some deadlifts, and then we did some back, because we thought we'd have a 12-kilometer bike ride back.
So no squats.
Yeah,
no
legs, because otherwise we won't be getting up the hills on the bikes. Now we're going to go and jump back on the bikes and attempt to find something to eat, something cool to drink.
Watermelon shake is calling.
Yes, oh yes. Let's go find one.
Back to stop for a bit of lunch. It's a pretty awesome post-workout shake.
Oh, it's so pretty. It's very masculine, Tony. We are currently
hard at work.
lying on Long Beach, which I believe is a very long beach in the north.
That's awful. You have to start that again. It took us about 8 hours to get here.
Yeah, door
yeah, it was a mixture of bus, boat, tuk-tuk, taxi, so it was a bit of a crazy mission. Yeah, and we got on a boat that I don't even know we were supposed to be on.
No, I'm pretty sure we didn't pay for that particular boat.
But yeah, we said Koh Lanta, they said Koh Lanta, and then we just...
And they point you in a direction and you just go.
And then we're there.
Yeah, now we're here.
But it's been pretty awesome. It's really cool beach vibes here, so it's quite nice if you want to come to chill out for a bit. It's the perfect location for it. You're quite far away from everything too. We're quite used to everything quite close now, especially like Bangkok and everything. This is so far spread out, and yeah, it's nice. So we got ourselves a couple of bikes, and yeah, so today...
Yeah, today we are going to, so we're actually quite far down south of the island where we're staying, and we're gonna ride our bikes and we're gonna go further south, and we're gonna have a little look at Bamboo Bay, and another couple beaches, and we're gonna go to a waterfall, which I can't remember the name of, but we're gonna go to a waterfall as well. So I don't think it should be too far on the bikes to get to the waterfall, but
no,
apparently it's quite hilly.
6 or 7k, right? 6 or
yeah,
7K.
I think about 6 or 7k, and then yeah, we're gonna hike to the waterfall, grab some lunch on a beach somewhere, just have a bit of a little...
It's a little exploring day.
Yeah, a little explore on the bikes and get some sunshine, because it is boiling.
Yes, it is really hot, so we'll try and find shade when we can.
Yeah, because he's already looking like so brown.
Yeah, tanned already.
In a matter of a few days. Anyway, we're going to jump on the bikes and we'll see you soon.
Right, bye. Do love their helmet.
I just can't do it.
Oh, hit a couple of hills already. About a minute in.
Wow. These hills, I tell you what, they're killers. Absolute killers. It's about 30 degrees. we're not unfit people and they're killing us.
On the trek to the waterfall. Should be there soon. We made it to the waterfall. Don't know if you can hear us, it's so loud. It's really beautiful here and it's a really nice trek too. Yeah, quite a lot of people though. So you got to wait your turn for any pictures. Yeah. Yeah, that's all really. But no, it's absolutely amazing. So you should definitely make the trip.
Yeah, it's only took about 20 minutes to walk here, I think, from the car park. Yeah, it's gorgeous and it feels so good when you're so hot to get in the cold water.
It is really cold. It's like almost like having a shower after your trek. Yeah, definitely recommend that to all of you. Alright, now we're going to trek back and I think we're going to find a beach now.
Oh yeah.
Is that right? Yes,
a beach and some fruit shakes.
Fruit shakes.
Needed.
Oh. Alright. Whoa! Don't go too close. So we momentarily got lost. Freaking out for about a second. But we heard voices and just followed them. So if we were here and it wasn't touristy, we would have been screwed. So right now I'm thankful for all the tourists. Yeah, so there's no signs anywhere. It's just kind of like follow the kind of path. But I've been showing you the path in the video already. It's not really a path. But yeah, hopefully this is looking more promising. I think we're on our way back.
We're gonna survive!
If we make it to the beach, then yeah, we found our way back.
Yeah! Just come around the corner and we're faced with this. Now that might not look like much in the video, but it is flipping steep. We can't even get a quarter of the way up on the bikes. You just come to a dead stop. It's absolutely nuts, these hills around here. So we think we've made it to Bamboo Beach, Bamboo Bay, and we're just gonna go and get something to eat and then lie down and relax.
That's the plan.
Standard order.
Seriously, like the best thing in life.
What you got?
It's my first banana shake. I felt like after all of that sweating and exercise I needed something with a bit more carbs in. It's good.
Then my watermelon. Oh, it's so good.
Trust you, Pad Thai.
I got the red curry with pineapple and chicken and rice, the staple. So, we were just lying on the beach, having a nice little lazy moment, and this happened. Ah,
the clouds are in.
The clouds are in, the wind is up, and we are probably going to get caught out in a storm.
We've got like an hour's bike ride, so I'm thinking, yeah, we're going to hit some rain, I think.
Yeah, it's going to be rough. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed we get back in one piece. And also, turns out there's a national holiday today, so I think a lot of the bars and stuff are going to be shut tonight. So hopefully we'll be able to find somewhere to eat.
Yeah, we've got to work that one out.
Yeah, we've got to figure that one out, because I already looked at a couple I wanted to go to, and yeah, they were closed. So yeah, we're going to have to do a bit more research. But anyway, we're going to jump back on the bikes and hopefully get back.
We'll see.
Go back to the bikes. It's going to be a long ride home.
A lot of hills. So this is our get up for the evening.
Yeah, I don't even know what to say.
So it is absolutely hammering it down outside and it's pitch black, so this is how we're going to find a restaurant.
Oh yeah!
Because we're not even sure where we're going yet. We're going to find one on the way out.
Yeah.
After momentarily losing each other on the way home, the drama is over. We basically got separated too far and I missed the turn-in for our place, so I kept on going. Lorna didn't know where I was, I didn't know where she was. Drama, drama, drama.
It was a stressful half an hour.
But we're all good and we are going to go get some food now. Hopefully we find somewhere dry so we don't have to look like this whilst we eat.
That'd be good. Because we look like total dweebs. Why do I look worse than you?
I don't know if that's true.
Okay, right, let's go try and find somewhere to eat, but it is a national holiday, so hopefully we don't have to walk for miles like this.
I'm hoping that our restaurant in our little place is open, but we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll find out in a second. Alright,
let's do
go
it.
get some food.
Yeah. So we are back from dinner and we looked good. The best I've ever gone out looking. Anyway, we're back from dinner. We actually managed to eat at the place we're staying at, which is really cool, and the food was really good.
Yeah, it's like one of the best I've had here so far.
Yeah, we're staying at Sea Sun Bungalows right in the south of the island, and yeah, we've had some breakfast there and stuff, but tonight was the first time we had dinner there, and it was really good, and it felt really healthy and fresh.
Yeah.
And it was good. But yeah, so tomorrow we've got to take the bikes back. Thank goodness, because my legs are ruined.
My butt is beaten up.
Oh my god, seriously. My like butt bones. Like is anyway, I won't go graphic with this, but it's bad. Yeah, so we're gonna take the bikes back. We might do a workout depending on how we're feeling.
We'll go to the gym again.
Yeah. And yeah, probably check out the beach. Eat some more rice and noodles. And yeah, we're just having a really chilled out week. It's quite nice.
Yeah, this week might come across a little bit boring, I guess, in some of the videos, but it's quite chilled. More beach time than anything else, I think.
Yeah.
But we are going to be going to do the 4 Island tour, which if you haven't heard of that before, it's kind of snorkeling and visiting 4 islands, as the title suggests.
4?
But we're doing that Wednesday, right? So a couple of days time.
Yeah, we're gonna do that on Wednesday to kind of break the week up a little bit, and yeah, actually do some snorkeling, get out on the boat. I think they cook you lunch and stuff on the beach, so that'll be really nice. Yeah, so we're looking forward to that. But for now, we are going to collapse because we have done, like, I don't even know how much exercise today.
It's an obscene amount of cycling.
Like so much exercise. So we are gonna go and sleep. So good night, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Whoop.